Hey everyone, but welcome to the ENVO STAX DropBar assembly tutorial video. To remove the bike from the box, we recommend having 2 people lift it out. If you're on your own, lay the box on its side and slide the bike out instead of lifting it. Your STAX DropBar comes with a box that includes the pedals, a quick release skewer, the user manual, a 16mm wrench for the pedals, 3 Allen keys, the display and its mounting bracket, and a separate box containing your STAX DropBar charger. When you take your bike out of the box, the first thing to do is remove all the packaging materials. To install the handlebar, first remove the 4 screws using a 4mm Allen key. Use the alignment marking on the handlebar as a guide to ensure the correct position and angle as shown in the video. Once properly aligned, tighten the 4 screws securely. Before installing the front wheel, remove the protective cover by loosening the through axle on the right side when facing the front of the bike. Once loosened, remove the through axle from the protective cover. This through axle will be used to secure the front wheel. Make sure to remove the protective plastic pieces from both sides of the wheel. Also remove the caliper spacer before installing the wheel. Place the front wheel into the fork, making sure it is properly aligned. Insert the through axle from the right side of the wheel, then tighten it securely using an Allen key. There is no need to hold or tighten the opposite side, as it will lock into place automatically. The pedals are marked left and right, so make sure to install them on the correct side. Before installing the pedals, we recommend lubricating the threads with any standard lubricant. Use the included wrench to secure them firmly. The display comes in 2 parts, the display itself and the mounting bracket. First, attach the mounting bracket to the display. Then, attach the bracket to the handlebar. Once the display is in the desired position, tighten the screws securely. Next, connect the display cable to the bike. Align the arrows on both connectors, then gently push the connectors together. Before turning the bike on, plug in the battery connector located underneath the seat. To power on the bike, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. And that's it. Your STAX DropBar assembly is complete. Thanks for watching and enjoy your ride.